We've been there. So we go to the question number 5C. State 7 ways through which Christians in Kenya are helping to reduce child labor in the society. So how can you reduce child labor? So number 1, by fighting for the rights of children. By reporting those who employ children. So you report them to the relevant authorities. You sensitize the society. Instead of using sensitizing, you teach the society on the evils of child labor. You preach against child labor, or you condemn it. You also put up homes for the orphans, or those children who are neglected in general. So you put up homes for them. Also through guidance and counseling, you guide and counsel the parents on responsible parenthood. You provide education to children from poor backgrounds. By being role models. That is, you don't practice child labor. From there we go to question 6A. Give 7 reasons why Christians are opposed to plastic surgery. It takes the place of God, or it challenges God as the creator. It shows a lack of appreciation for oneself. There are high risk involved, or there are many infections. There are a high risk of infections, yes. Plastic surgery is seen as worship of the body. Instead of using the word is equated to worship of the body. It's seen as worship of the body. Plastic surgery promotes some vices, for example, pride. Plastic surgery can lead to death. It can lower one's self-esteem. It can lead to isolation or even rejection. Question 6B, state 7 effects of pollution on the environment in Kenya today. So what are the effects or the results of pollution on the environment? It has led to infections or diseases. It has led to global warming. Global warming is the climatic changes, which are or unpredictable climatic changes. It has led to inconsistent rainfall patterns, or you can call them, it has led to drought, inconsistent rainfall patterns. It has led to ecological imbalance. Or you can just say extinction of some of the animals. So ecological imbalance. It has led to death of human beings, so you can say death of animals or plants. It has led to human conflicts, human-animal conflicts. It has damaged buildings and affected, the last point, affected marine life. Question 6C, identify 6 ways through which Christians in Kenya can control desertification. So how can Christians control the encroachment of deserts? Protecting water catchment areas, by protecting water catchment areas, by using alternative sources of energy, using alternative sources of energy. You condemn destruction of forests. You participate in planting of trees, or you can just say afforestation or reforestation. By using better methods of farming. You sensitize people on environmental conservation, or that is, you educate people, or you educate the masses on the environmental conservation, that is, they should conserve the environment. And then, as a Christian, you should report those who destroy forests to the relevant authorities. You report those who destroy forests to the relevant authorities. And that's